Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous week. Today we're going to be making this stuffed triangle, actually Pentagon pocket. This is I have used the floral papers from my VIP lounge for the month of July. In case you're new to me, my VIP lounge is simply a membership that I have on my website, where every month you get loads of digital goodies to your email address, and it's less than the price of a coffee. Yes, so you get loads of goodies. Before I show you how to make this, let me showcase everything that you get when you join my monthly membership in July. The first collection of papers that you get when you join in July is called Summer Travels. Summer Travel is a collection, is loads of papers, quite few actually, full of background, ephemera, etc. Just gonna show you page by page really quickly. There's a lot of flowers, there is a lot of bright colors, there's a lot of feminine details, etc. This kit was requested by the lovely Natasha. Natasha's asked me if I can design something pretty quite feminine with a holiday theme. So I was like, yes, leave it with me. So Natasha, I hope you enjoy this kit. So we got background, we got ephemera, the lovely postcards. We're going to do a video with this soon. One with a feminine girl. That's, I think, what, when Natasha was describing the theme, I think that's what she meant. We got some tabs that you can fussy cut to put on a journal. Another background. We've got some embellishment here, so we've got some butterflies on each side, and over with the glasses, and of course the maps. Another lovely background. The color palette all mix and match together. It's all like purple and pinks. Envelopes, so we've got your traditional envelope and scallop envelope here. This is my favorite page. We're gonna do another video with this as well, because I want to use my die cut as well. I've got some ideas I want to do with those, but I've done the hard work for you. Just need to fussy cut it. Another background, and then another page. Of course, you can make journals by folding this in half. This will be your cover, front and back, or you can fussy cut the elements, or you can fussy cut each element. Do what you pleased. Another background, some tags. I love the drink. I could do with one of that. Okay, so this is a very large kit. Also, every month you get a set of tags / bookmarks, because I wanted to keep it with the same kind of like floral, same color palette. I'm giving you a collection of bookmarks with some dragonflies and some water lilies. So I hope you enjoy playing with this. Again, these are designed to be bookmarks, but also you can make tags or like little ephemera pieces. Also, every month you get a 3D gift box. Now, we finished the alphabet, so we've done letter A to letter Z. No, I think we've done everything, and I'm going to show you the alphabet very quickly. My VIP members got the alphabet 3D gift boxes for free. Of course, now they are available on my website for you guys, for everybody to buy. But now we've done the alphabet, and now we started with the numbers. So the first number, of course, is number 0, and this is what it looks like. So you also get the page with the instruction. You just need to print this twice, because you've got your front 0 and your back 0, which completely symmetrical, and then you've got all your tabs. And let me show you what the number 0 looks like when it's done up. Okay, so that's what it looks like when it's done up, and I just put the butterflies on top, and of course all the 3D gift boxes stand up on its own. Okay, and to show you very quickly what the alphabet look like, I'm just gonna speed it up for you. We've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I, and each letter, of course, is different, depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N O P Q and R S. Lovely, like velvet florally. And then T. Then we've got U and V. And then letter W, X, N. Also, every month you receive a digital magazine. Now, this month you get a copy of the British Glamour. This is from SS20 and it gives you 199 pages. Of course, this is a magazine that you can read on your desktop or iPad, or also you can print pages like this, for example, full of colors, full of florals, and use as a mixed media or as a base for your project and also for your junk journals as well. Last but not least is a little gift. Every month I send you a gift to all my VIP members. Normally is another collection. Now this is a mini collection, and we were watching Beauty and the Beast on we got a DVD, me and Jamie, and the live action movie, not the cartoon, and I was fascinated by the Beast, and he has a lot of like details, so I thought create a little paper packs for people like myself. They like that sort of like elegance, rich renaissance, and then I just put some animals. I done something very similar last year, but not as opulent as this. So you got, these are designed to be separate pages, but again you can use it as covers if you make like notebooks or journals, or you can fussy cut them. So you got the one with the peacock. I love him, he's so cute. Yeah, there's a lot of like details, and that's the last one when we got the giraffe, and they're quite shabby, I want to say, quite French inspired, because Beauty of the Beast is kind of like filmed in France because of Belle. So yeah, I just hope you like it. Okay, before we start, I just want to apologize about the state of my scoring tool, because it's got gold wax. You see the gold, so it needs proper cleaning, so apologies for that. Right, so to make the envelope, so this is the right way up of the paper, so I just print the front and back. So what we do, simply create a triangle by folding in half. Now my piece of paper measures 7.5 by 7.5, so as long as your starting point is a square, we're good to go. So mine is 7.5 by 7.5, so fold it in half like that, so you get the triangle. Now we go to fold the tip of the triangle down, so the tip will face you like so. Okay, and give it another really good fold. Now you can make this stuffed envelope or pocket as bigger or as thinner as you want. Okay, so what we need to do now, this tip here, we're going to fold it up, so this line here will be parallel or on the same line as this fold. So I'm just going to do it and show you. So it's easy, in fact easy peasy lemon squeezy, as we say. So fold it up to reach this line there. Okay, we do the same on the other side. You just need to stop just there in the corner. Just give it a very good burnish. Okay, so they stop there. And then what you do, lift the flap up again, fold the two flaps in there and fold it back up. Okay, so now you get this little flap. Can you see this little flap there? Now you can use glue, but I'm going to use my favorite tool, which is called double-sided tape. Okay. I love that. I'm literally I barely use, in fact I've got a glue here. This is what the 16 ounces, it's a very big one, and look, it's literally there. I don't really use glue anymore. I just find double-sided tape so easy, and also because it doesn't wet the paper, your project will stay, the paper of the project stay quite hard, it don't get flimsy. So just put a double-sided tape, but you can put glue, completely up to you. And what we do, we fold these back inwards, okay, like so. Now you need to try to do a better job than what I did, so it's more straight, but we're going to decorate that in a second anyway. So that is tucked in, okay, can you see that? That's tucked in. Now it generates another pocket actually, so you can use that as a secret front pocket, but my main pocket is this one. So what you do with this, you can glue this down and put into your journal and you stuck into it, or you can use this as a little card by decorate it, put some I don't know, like a gift card or a message, and then you can write a note on the back as well. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this embellishment here for the kit as well. So I'm just going to cut the oval. I'm not going to overly decorate it. I just want to keep it quite simple because the floral paper are quite busy, so I don't want to overly done it. So that will stay like that. I mean, I could, I suppose. What am I do? I trim it a little bit so it don't hang out. Do the same on the other side. With this paper, you can make a really lovely summer journal. That's what's the thought behind it. Now, you can use, again, I'm using double-sided tape, but this will look nice if you use, what do you call them? Like, oh, I'm missing the name. Like foam pads, like that, just to make it, you know, like it more 3D. Completely up to you. But I think this would do. How pretty is that? Super cute. And then you just put your ephemera. You can use anything in there. Now you can, again, you can decorate it. I think I might, no, I think I'm going to leave it like that. I'm not going to overdo it. But yeah, that's a super cute little pocket. Okay, guys, if you want to join my VIP lounge on a monthly basis, I will be truly appreciated. There is lots of you. I think we passed the 100 members now. So thank you to every single one of you for your love and support. So if you wish to join, let me showcase where you can find it. This is my website. So on the home page, you recognize, because there is a lovely butterfly there. So you see all my papers, okay? So I merged all my papers into bundles. So you got 12 bundles all together, all different season, etc, etc. Then you have my books. Love them, love them, love them. These are basically collection of digital papers by style and imaginary. Okay, these are the books. So just show you one. So each book has got front page, so you can put your name on it, and then you can scan, get it to my website, and then yeah, that's all the papers. Now I love to put them as a book, so I can use this as a reference, and then I simply print the pages that I need every time I make a project. So I print one of everything and use as a reference guide, as a book, and then when I need it, I just reprint the page. Okay, and then at the last page here, you got all my collections, all my books that are part of my catalogue. Okay. Then you have my VIP lounge. My VIP lounge is a monthly membership or yearly membership where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. Unique digital design and collection. So every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members. Digital bookmarks and tags. Again, they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. a gift box template. We're doing alphabet, and then soon we're gonna move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month, which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with the £2 month, but as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalogue. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members. And here on the corner, my social media tags as well. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. I'm looking forward to having you part of my VIP lounge. When you join, please check your email, because sometimes my email end up in your spam junk box. So make sure you double check the spam and junk email box as well. Thank you so much for watching. Big thumbs up if you like this video. Your support means the world to me. And then until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.